Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. We've meticulously scoured the market, scrutinized features, and put these bad boys to the test to bring you the definitive list of the top 5 best RC cars you can get your hands on this year. But before we dive into the exciting details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so you never miss out on the latest and greatest reviews. Let's rev up those engines and explore the thrilling world of RC cars together. Starting off at number 5, we have the Mu 4 1/16 scale white red stadium truck. This plastic, metal, and rubber marvel packs a punch with its 21,000 revolutions per minute and 38 km/h speed capabilities, fueled by a custom-made 390 motor. Perfect for family entertainment, this RC truck is portable and just the right size for outdoor gatherings and camping trips. The oil-filled shock with high rebound spring ensures a smooth ride, while the durable all-metal transmission, including metal differentials and bearings, makes it a reliable companion on any terrain. With a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, the fun doesn't stop, providing up to 45 minutes of playtime. Moving on to number 4, we have the AMORIL 114 Fast RC Cars for adults. This off-road racing buggy is powered by a 60A ESC and a 7.4 volts 19,000 RP 550 brushed motor, achieving a top speed of 70+ km/h. The responsive steering assembly and 1.7 kg 3-wire servo offer precise control, while the upgraded metal parts and oil-filled shocks with a coilover design provide durability and excellent handling. The AMORIL 114 also features a reinforced chassis, stylish nylon wing, and tough rubber wheels for extreme all-terrain durability. Cruising into the number 3 spot is the Holyton 110 large high-speed remote control car. This monster truck boasts a realistic 110 scale, hitting speeds of up to 48 km/h with its upgraded powerful motor. The 4WD metal oil shock absorbers and 2.4 GHz anti-interference control system ensure a smooth and responsive driving experience. The high-toughness PVC shell and reinforced body frame provide collision resistance and better grip, making it suitable for various terrains. Zooming into the number 2 position is the BEZGAR HP 161 S 164X4 RTR Brushless Fast RC Cars for adults. This brushless RC truck features a powerful 2845 brushless motor, 11, 4V/3S modular battery, and upgraded collision-resistant structures. With a max speed of 68 km/h, adjustable metal tie rods, oil-filled metal shockers, and premium wear-resistant gears, the BEZGAR HP 161S is designed for high-speed off-road excitement. The dual throttle speeds, 100% and 70%, cater to both experienced hobbyists and beginners. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the HyperGo 1/16 scale racing car. With a brushless hobby, 2845 4200 kV motor, and independent 45A ESC, this car reaches speeds of 25+ mph. Built for the track, it features front short and rear long oil-filled shock settings for reduced drag and better balance. Offering off-road versatility with 2 sets of different terrain tires, this durable RC car features a high-strength composite honeycomb chassis and is perfectly compatible with a 3S-capable power system for blazing speeds.